So the first question is like this: what is the sum of, or what is this equals to? R is equals to 0 to n c in bracket n comma r, it is equals to how much? So this is question from 2016. So summation of r is equals to 0 to n and c in bracket n comma r, this is equals to how much? Yes, anyone?
2 raised to n.
2 to the power n.
Excellent. It is nothing but 2 raised to n. See, this is nothing but, if I open this summation, what I will get is, this is nothing but the NCR. So I will get NCR, which is R value. First you will have, it's a 0, plus next time the R value will be increased by 1, plus NC2 plus NC3, प्लस कब तक करना है आपको? जब तक R की वैल्यू n नहीं होती तब तक करना है. So this is nothing but the expansion of this symbol summation. And you know that all the summations of the binomial coefficient, like from nc0 to ncn, this is always equals to 2 raised to n. So this was the question in your 2016. Now let's see the next question. Second one: how many terms are there in the expansion of observe very carefully, 1 plus 2x plus x square to the power 10. Yes, how many terms are there in the expansion of 1 plus 2x plus x square? Yes, what is your answer? No answer. Okay, no problem.
21.
21.
21, sir.
Okay, let's see how. Okay, see here, we in the binomial chapter we have only binomials, means two nomials, two terms चाहिए अपने को. But if you see in this bracket we have three terms. अभी थ्री टर्म्स का एक्सपेंशन करोगे तो डेफिनेटली this will not be the same case as that of the binomials. And we do not know anything about these trinomials. We know only the binomial concepts. Then in somehow, if we convert these trinomials into binomials, then our life will be very easy. See here, if you see this 1 plus 2x plus x square, this is nothing but the expansion of 1 plus x whole square. Is this okay?
Yes,
1
sir.
plus x whole square. So if I write the same expression in this way, is it okay to all of you?
Yes.
1 plus x whole square to the power 10. Now see, my whole question becomes converted into the binomials. So what will be the cumulative power here? It will be 20. So now see the first and second. So I have now binomials. In these binomials, now can you tell me how many terms I will be having in this case? 21. That's it. This is what the question. NDA level question. So this has previously asked question. NDA, how many terms are there in the expansion of 1 plus 2x plus x square? With this, I want to give a note here. Note: if suppose you have the term like this, a plus b plus c to the power n, means there is no possibility to combine these three terms into two terms. That time you will be having the number of terms in this case is n plus 1, n plus 2 by 2. N plus 1, n plus 2 by 2. Means suppose for example 3x plus 2y plus 9 to the power suppose 10. So suppose this is the case. Now how many terms will be there in this expansion? Now see, there is no way to convert these three terms into the two terms. Okay, so the number of terms will be like this. So 10 plus 1 is nothing but 11 into 12 divided by 2, so which is nothing but 66 terms will be there in this expansion. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please remember this this one. It is not that much important, but it is always good if you know this kind of expression also. Okay, what is the next question? The third question is the value of the term independent of x, independent of x, in the expansion of x square minus 1 by x to the power 9 is. Okay, so this is what the question is, and your options are like this: 9, 18, 48 and 84. Okay,
यही सेम क्वेश्चन का डाउट था मुझे।
सॉरी,
यही सेम क्वेश्चन का डाउट था मुझे।
हाँ, कौन सी ईयर का क्वेश्चन है ये?
पता नहीं सर, लेकिन वो आरएस अग्रवाल में था तो।
हाँ, ये प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन है। वो आर एस अग्रवाल कुछ नहीं करते, वो प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर उठाते और डालते हैं। ठीक है, एनीवेज, नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ द टर्म्स इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ एक्स इन द एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाय एक्स टू द पावर 9 इज। अभी इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ एक्स मीन्स what you want?
x to the power 0।
Independent of x means, very good, I want to x to the power 0. So now let's find out where I will get x to the power 0. I don't know which term it is. I don't know. Okay, so how I will proceed? Tr plus 1, no need to write down this tr plus 1, but write down the general form, that is 9cr. हाँ, फर्स्ट टर्म उसका पावर क्या रहता है, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 9 माइनस आर इंटू माइनस 1 बाय एक्स टू द पावर आर. You require x to the power 0, just focus on the x then, just focus on the x. So it will be x square to the power 9 minus r, means it becomes 18 minus 2r into x to the power minus r. It is equals to x to the power 18 minus 2r minus r becomes minus 3r. Now you want x to the power 0. So can I equate this 18 minus 3r? It is equals to 0. Then r will be how much? 6. The r
The
will be
answer
6.
is 84.
Excellent. So r is the 6. If r is the 6, let's substitute here. The value of the term बोला, the value पूछा है, term नहीं पूछा है. Please make sure that they have not asked the term, they have asked the value. So 9c 6. There is no other constant in these expansions apart from this minus 1. So if I take that minus 1 to the power 6, anyways it is not going to change here. So minus even power is only positive. So 9c6 is how much? 9c3, which is nothing but 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 त्रिक 9, 2 चौक 8, 4 त्रिकम 12, 12 सत्ती, how much? 84. This is what the answer is. Have you understood now independent term of x?
Yes sir, got it.
Okay. Oh, okay. So there is one more question. You may get the question like this also. Fourth one. What is the ratio of coefficient of x to the power 15 to the term independent of x in x square plus 2 by x to the power 15. This is what your question is, and your options are like this: 1 by 64, 1 by 32, 1 by 16 and 1 by 4. So what is the ratio of coefficient of x to the power 15 to the independent term of x in the expansion of this? Okay, how you will proceed? They are asking for the ratio of x to the power 15. We don't know where I am getting x to the power 15. So let's first of all find out the x to the power 15, where it appears. So what I will do, I will move with the concept. Okay, so I have the 15cr. Okay, first power पहला it will be 15 minus r, दूसरा is 2 by x, इसका पावर रहेगा r. Now just simplify and try to get only x here. So x to the power how much? 2 into 15 minus, so it becomes 30 minus 2r into x to the power minus r. Is this okay? Which is equals to 30 minus x to the power 30 minus 3r. X to the power 30 minus 3r. Now you want x to the power 15 as well as you want term independent of x, means x to the power 0. So what you will do? I will equate this part to 15 and for 0. So if I equate into equals to 15, what will be the value of r? So 30 minus
5.
15 will be 15. So
5.
15 divided by 3 is 5. Very good. If I equate it to 0, then what will be the value of r?
10.
Is 10. So these are the two values which will give me the coefficient of x to the power 15 and independent term of x. अभी वो क्या पूछा है? अभी इनका रेशो पूछा है उन्होंने. So what is the term you are getting for a 5 as well as for a 10? Okay. Now see here. 15c5.
And 15c2.
Write down only constants now. Don't write x again. So what is remaining here? यहाँ पे कोई constant नहीं है, यहाँ पे 2 है. So I get 2 raised to power 5 divided by 15c 10 and 2 raised to power how much? 10.
10.
That's it. Is 15c5 and 15c10 same or different?
Same.
These are the two same, so I can easily cancel those. So 2 raised to 5 cancels the 2 raised to 10 by 2 raised to 5. So what is remaining is 1 by 2 raised to 5 is remaining. What is my answer is? 1 by?
30.
This is what my answer is. Is this okay?
सर वो 2 to the power 5 का बताएं किसको
कौन सा वाला? ये वाला?
नीचे सर वो 15c5 into 2 to the power 5
सी 15c5 यहाँ से आर की वैल्यू हम लोगों ने 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं. दे हैव आस्क्ड फॉर द कोएफिशिएंट. ओके, कोएफिशिएंट मींस अदर देन x. मी x नहीं आएगा, x नहीं आएगा, दो बार किया ना. सो दिस 2 to the power 4 has 5 has come here.
गॉट इट सर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
सर वो 15c5 और 15c10 किससे कट हुए वो बताओ ना सर.
Is this your first class? No.
नो सर.
See, one thing we have seen that ncx is equals to ncy if x plus y is equals to n. If suppose इन दोनों का अगर addition it is equals to n हो रहा है, then we say that the left hand side and right hand side are same. देखो यहाँ पे we have nc5 and nc10. What is the addition of these two? 5 and 10 का addition 15. So that means what? ये और ये दोनों same है.
ओके सर.
This is the property of combination.
यस
Okay.
सर.
Okay. There is one more question. Okay, I can take that question here right now. Question number 6. What is the coefficient of x to the power 4? What is the coefficient of x to the power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus dot 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 to the power 1 by 2. Yes, what is the coefficient of x to the power 4 in the expansion of this to the power 1 by 2? Yeah. See, if you have already gone through the series which I have given in the last
Yes,
class,
sir.
that is, this is nothing but the expansion of what? It is nothing
1
but the
plus-
expansion of 1 minus x to the power minus 2. All are positive, so I will take both are negative. 1 minus x to the power minus 2 to the power 1 by 2. This power is as it is. So this minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what I am getting is 1 minus x to the power how much? Minus 1. What is the expansion of 1 minus x to the power minus 1? It is nothing but 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4 plus x5 and so on. Are you getting the point? They have asked for what is the coefficient of x to the power 4. Yes, what is the coefficient of x to the power 4?
1.
Answer is 1. So this was the question in your 2017.